Hello, my name is Michael with the Clearview Library District, and I'm here today with another Clearview Tech Tip. Today I'll be talking about Libby. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll get started. So to get to information about Libby, you would start at our website, clearviewlibrary.org. Hover your mouse over Explore, and then click on Downloads and Streaming. So of course, this has all of our download and streaming services. If you scroll down, you'll find Libby here. So Libby, if you're familiar with Overdrive, it's basically the same service provided by Overdrive, just a little bit more streamlined than Overdrive. So what you can do is download ebooks and audiobooks, popular fiction and nonfiction titles onto your portable device. Now, this does include Kindles, but it's not available for Kindle Fire. So if you have a Kindle Fire and you want to use Libby, unfortunately, you'll have to use Overdrive instead. But it will work for everything else, iPhones, iPads, Androids. So if you need help using Libby, you can click on this link here. And if you need tech support, you can fill out the form that's linked here. Now, what's handy is you can click on Watch the Tutorial, and we're going to have a bunch of information on getting started with Libby here. So you could watch this tutorial video, scroll down, it will give you instructions on checking out content, borrowing titles, it'll give you a PDF you can download at the bottom. You could also click on Lessons, and it will give you device-specific instructions for what you're using. So if you have an Android device, an Apple device, etc. So a lot of really helpful information here. As always, you can call the library if you need help, or you can also set up a meeting and get tech help with one of our tech people by going to How Do I on our website and clicking on Get Tech Help. So we have various ways to help you out with Libby, but it's pretty simple. On your iOS device or Android, you can download the Libby app, and it will walk you through the steps to fill out your library card information and PIN. That is what you will need to set it up, is your library card number, which is on the back of your library card, and then your PIN. Now, a nice thing about Libby also is that you can add multiple library cards. So for example, if you are in some sort of book group and you can't find the title you're looking for in our collection on Libby, and you have another library card from another Colorado library, you can add that library as well, as long as they have Overdrive and Libby service. And you can go ahead and add multiple cards to get different catalogs of ebooks and audiobooks. So again, pretty simple. Download Libby on your device. It will walk you through step-by-step how to log in with your library card. It's super simple. A lot of kind of easier features to use than Overdrive, in my opinion. So that's all for today's tech tip, and thank you for joining me.